Welcome back to Dazzy Cars. Sometimes the most important cars in the world aren't the loudest. They don't break Nürburgring records, they don't wear million-dollar price tags, they don't have 1,000 horsepower. Instead, they quietly represent where the industry is heading. Today, we're diving into a machine that reflects the new European mindset: compact, electrified, efficient, and smart. This is the Renault Science E-Tech. Now I know what some of you might be thinking: Renault on Dazzy Cars. But stay with me, because this isn't just a small European family crossover. This is Renault's vision of practical electric mobility done with character. And when you step back and really look at what this car represents, you start to see why it matters. Now let's talk about the exterior. The Science E-Tech doesn't scream for attention, but it absolutely owns its space. The front fascia carries Renault's modern lighting signature: slim LED daytime running lights that slice horizontally across the nose, paired with a closed-off EV grille panel that's clean and aerodynamic. The Renault diamond logo sits proudly in the center, illuminated subtly in certain trims, reminding you this is a brand leaning fully into its electric future. The proportions are balanced. It's technically a compact SUV, but it doesn't feel bulky. The roofline flows gently toward the rear, giving it a sleek silhouette rather than a boxy family hauler look. Sculpted side panels add depth without looking over-designed. The wheels, depending on spec, fill the arches confidently, giving it a planted stance. From the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar stretches cleanly across the tailgate, modern and refined. There's no fake exhaust nonsense, no unnecessary aggression. It's purposeful, aerodynamic, honest about what it is. Moving inside, the interior feels surprisingly upscale for its segment. Renault clearly focused on creating a digital-forward environment. The dashboard is dominated by a large vertical infotainment screen powered by Google-based software, intuitive, responsive, and clean. It integrates navigation, media, climate control, and vehicle settings seamlessly. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, giving drivers relevant EV data like battery range, energy consumption, and charging status. The steering wheel feels modern yet comfortable, wrapped in quality materials. Space is where the Science E-Tech shines. The flat floor, thanks to the battery placement, opens up legroom. Rear passengers get generous headroom and knee space. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin. The panoramic roof option enhances the sense of openness, flooding the interior with natural light. Renault also emphasizes sustainable materials. Recycled fabrics, eco-conscious trims. This isn't just an electric car, it's part of a broader environmental philosophy. Now let's talk performance. The Science E-Tech isn't trying to be a sports car. It's front-wheel drive in most configurations, producing roughly 215 horsepower depending on spec. But in daily driving, that electric torque makes it feel responsive and smooth. Acceleration is immediate off the line, no hesitation, no gear changes. It glides through city traffic effortlessly. Highway merging feels confident. The steering is light and precise, tuned for urban maneuverability rather than track aggression. Ride quality leans toward comfort. Suspension absorbs bumps gracefully, making it ideal for commuting and family travel. Cabin noise is minimal, one of the big advantages of electric vehicles. It feels calm, composed. Range figures are competitive for its size, pushing over 300 miles depending on battery configuration and driving conditions. Fast charging capability ensures practical road trip usability. Plug in at a DC fast charger and you can regain substantial range quickly. Safety technology is fully integrated. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking systems. Renault packed this car with modern driver assistance features. Structural integrity meets strict European safety standards, which are among the toughest globally. Now let's talk pricing. In global markets, the Science E-Tech positions itself competitively within the compact electric SUV segment. It's not bargain basement cheap, but it offers strong value considering the technology, range, and interior space. Emotionally, the Science E-Tech represents accessibility. It's not about exclusivity, it's not about bragging rights. It's about bringing EV practicality to everyday families. It's about making electric driving normal. For American viewers, even though Renault doesn't currently sell in the US, the Science E-Tech reflects global trends that absolutely influence our market. Efficient crossovers, tech-focused interiors, sustainable materials. This is the direction many manufacturers are heading, and that's what makes this car interesting. It's not extreme, it's strategic. It's not loud, it's intelligent. If you appreciate understanding where the industry is going, not just what makes headlines, make sure you subscribe to Dazzy Cars, because this channel explores the full spectrum of automotive evolution. Now before you click away, there's something you need to watch. The Polestar 4 video is already live on this channel. That car pushes bold design further with its no rear window concept and high-performance electric setup. It's already uploaded, and watching it right now gives you a fascinating contrast: Scandinavian minimalism with performance ambition versus Renault's practical, family-focused EV philosophy. Go watch the Polestar 4 video right now. It's waiting for you. And once you've seen both, you'll have a clearer picture of how diverse and exciting the electric future really is.